Hello guys, welcome to my video. I'm gonna show you how to everything you want to skateboard. I press this every time this. Wow. I cannot do that because I'm not pro, but I have this. This is called Diamond Shaped Tech Deck. I'm from America, and wait, this is Tech Deck with the rough here, the shading used as the card, but made in Vietnam. I also got this in the Dollar Tree store, and I only have this one for serious one, please. And I practice every day like this. The wheels, I can do this. I can do this too. Whoa! Oh, that's a smooth flip. Okay, let's do this. Look at it, what I doing. My first time. But part 2 guys, bye bye.